Hello, today I'll be showing you my 3005 assignment 3 question 1 solution. So I have the Python file here, and then I have the DDL file that will create the database. So in PostSQL, I'm just going to create a new database quickly, and I'll just call this Python, and then I want to query the DDL file first so it creates the table. And to do that, I'm just going to open the file and I'm going to run it. So that created the table successfully. Then I'm also going to want to run the DML file to update the data and insert the stuff. So in here, I'm going to open this and populate it. So now it's populated. So now all I have to do is now I can just use my Python file and I made a console app, and it can now query the data and do all the requirements. So the only thing that has to be done here is your DB underscore parameters. You have to set this to whatever your PostSQL password is, and the user if you're using something other than the standard user. And then also, of course, if you're hosting it on anything other than locally, you'd have to set up the IP there. So I'm going to go ahead and run this. And as you can see, now I have this open, so I can get all students, and that will print all the students currently in the database there, and that's all the ones that were added first. Now I could add a student, so let's say I add myself, and then my email, and my enrollment date, so we'll just say and so now if I get all students, you're going to see I'm there as well. And then if I want to update an email, I can say I would need the student ID actually. So we'll just update student ID number 1 email. So we'll say, I forget what student this was. So now if I get all students, you're going to see, so okay, John Doe, sorry, was the, this student was ID number 1, so he got put there, and his email was changed accordingly. And then if I want to delete a student, it'd also be by ID, so if I want to delete myself, I can now delete number 4, I'm ID number 4, so let's say I delete number 4, and if I get all students, I'm going to be gone. So as you can see, I'm no longer there. And so just to quickly show you the PostSQL tables created and the parameters and stuff, I'll just quickly go in here. And then as you can see, this is all the SQL parameters and tables. And if let's say I view the properties, of course, this is the columns are right here. So this is what it's using. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and just let me know. You can send me an email if you have any problem setting this up or if you have any questions.